In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create incredible images using the Flux model on Perplexity AI. Whether you're looking to generate a cyberpunk city bathed in neon or a playful portrait of a golden retriever sporting sunglasses, this tutorial will guide you through each step of the process to bring your creative vision to life. First things first, begin by opening your preferred internet browser and navigating to Perplexity.ai. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to access the image generation features. If you haven't already created an account, it's a quick and straightforward process. Once logged in, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed on the page. This is where the magic begins. To initiate your image request, clearly articulate what you'd like to create, incorporating the word flux in your query. For example, you might type, "Using Flux, generate a cyberpunk city at night with neon lights." By mentioning Flux, you're specifically instructing Perplexity to utilize the Flux image model, ensuring your image is crafted using advanced AI capabilities. Similarly, if you're imagining a fun and realistic portrait, you might enter Flux, create a realistic portrait of a golden retriever wearing sunglasses. Be specific in your description to enhance the quality and accuracy of your generated image. Consider detailing the style you're aiming for, whether it's realistic, a hint of anime, or a masterful oil painting. Define your subject clearly, whether it involves people, animals, objects, or sweeping landscapes. Don't forget the power of details like colors, lighting, mood, and perspective to fully flesh out your vision. Once you've entered your prompt, it's time for a bit of patience as Perplexity processes your request. In just a short while, you'll be treated to the generated images that capture your description. But the process doesn't end there. Consider these images as starting points that can be further refined using follow-up prompts. You might suggest something like, "Make it in a watercolor style," or "Add a sunset in the background." Another idea is to say, "Increase detail in the clothing," to achieve the precise level of refinement you're seeking. Once you've arrived at the final image that suits your style and vision, saving it is straightforward. If you're on a desktop, simply right-click on the image and select the option, Save Image As. This will allow you to download the image directly to your computer, where you can use it however you envision, whether for artistic projects, presentations, or personal enjoyment. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to crafting stunning images using the Flux model on Perplexity AI. With just a few clicks and a dash of creativity, you're now equipped to explore endless visual possibilities.